friends, I'm just showing you one of the centrifuges manufactured by us. This is a 4-point suspension centrifuge, a GMP model, bottom driven top discharge type centrifuge. As you can see, the centrifuge consists of this is the top lid, this is the monitor case, this is the bottom collection tray, and this is the inertia plate. This is the visco damper of the centrifuge. Now if you see the centrifuge, this consists of a motor drive and driven through a V-belt drive. Inside this centrifuge there's a rotating basket is there. This consists of a filter bag. The various nozzles are provided over the basket. This is the feed nozzle, this is the water nozzle, and the last one is the vent nozzle for venting out any solvents or any water vapor contents. This is the light gas, this is the top cover, and this is the manual braking system. This consists of a VFD drive system with the reverse current braking. However, we are providing mechanical brakes also for emergency stopping. As you can see, this is a 4-point suspension centrifuge, and this is a visco damper by anti-vibration mounting. All the 4 mounts, you can see this, to take up any uneven unbalance of the centrifuge, and this is mounted on the inertia plate. As you can see, the other part components, it consists of a drive motor here. The drive motor is here. Inside this, the drive motor is there, and this drives the basket from the bottom. This is the bottom, and this is covered. This belt is covered with a guard, and the wheel belt drive is provided here. And this consists of a basket inside, and the basket is driven through this motor. You can see this is the mother liquor outlet nozzle. After centrifuging, the mother liquor comes out from this nozzle and collected to a collection tank. This is the electric panel board of this machine. This consists of a VFD drive and the various start-stop switches. This is the non-flame proof, and this is to be kept in the electrical room. This is the operating pendant and is to be kept near the centrifuge for operation. As you can see there, it consists of switches, speed 1, 2, 3, and you can set the switches with the preset speeds, on, off, and the preset speeds. This consists of a reverse current braking system also. The reverse current braking system is provided by the VFD. The VFD even takes up the soft start of the centrifuge because the initial torque is high. So to take up the torque, the VFD also assists in that. Plus it does the reverse current braking of the machine also. Plus we get different variable speeds. If we want to set speed 1, 2, 3, that also we get in this centrifuge. Now you can see the basket of the centrifuge. This is the rotating basket of the centrifuge with a filter bag. And you can see the nozzles. This is the feed nozzle, this is the wash nozzle, and the material is fed from here. It forms a cake with the basket, and the mother liquor goes out from the outlet nozzles. After the centrifuging is done, material is taken scooped out from the top. This is the top discharge model. We have another model by the name of bag lifting type. That is the lifting bag type. We call it the LB type. In that, the complete cover is openable type, and the complete bag comes out along with the material. So that different models are there depending on the application. Plus we have a bottom discharge type also. That is also a different model, but the concept of centrifuging is same, except the discharge methods are different. So this is a normal top discharge centrifuge. Now we have started the machine. We just started the machine now. So the machine is picking up the speed slowly, gradually the machine is picking up the speed. You can see the basket inside with the filter bag. The machine is spinning, the basket is spinning, and it's picking up the speeds gradually. You see the panel board also. The panel boards are on there, and this is picking up the speeds with the panel board. is almost reached its full capacity running speed, and you can see the operation. It's a very smooth operation centrifuge, and this is practically the same position you get when you feed the material in this also. This is a climate cold type cover, and the metal is right here, and you see the operation. It's very smooth. If you see the operation of the centrifuge, it's very smooth. It looks like standstill, but it is running. That's the quality of the machine. It is running at high speed.